How to self-inject GLP-1 medications. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into an important health topic: how to self-inject GLP-1 medications. Whether you're new to this process or just need a refresher, we're here to guide you step by step. Remember, always consult with your healthcare provider before starting or adjusting your medication routine. Number 1. Introduction to GLP-1 medications. Firstly, what are GLP-1 medications? GLP-1 stands for glucagon-like peptide 1. These medications are primarily used to manage type 2 diabetes and can aid in weight loss. They mimic an incretin hormone, which increases insulin secretion in response to meals. They help control blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin production, slowing gastric emptying, and reducing appetite. Number 2, preparation steps. Before we get into the actual injection, let's talk about preparation. Step 1, wash your hands thoroughly with soap and water to prevent infection. You'll need your medication pen, a clean needle, alcohol. Step 3, check the medication. Ensure the pen is not expired and that the liquid is clear and particle-free. Number 3, injection site selection. Choosing the right injection site is crucial. GLP-1 injections are typically subcutaneous, meaning they should be administered under the skin. Common sites include the abdomen, thigh, or upper arm. Number 4, the injection process. Step 1, clean the injection site with an alcohol swab and let it air dry. Step 2, prepare your pen by removing the cap and attaching a new needle. Step 3, set the correct dose as prescribed by your doctor. Step 4, if using vial, use alcohol wipe. Draw up amount on prescription as concentrations can be different. Get all the air out of syringe. Step 5, insert the needle at a 90-degree angle if using the abdomen or thigh, or a 45-degree angle if using the arm. Step 6, push down on the injection button until it clicks. Hold it in place for about 6 seconds to ensure the full dose is delivered. Step 7, withdraw the needle and apply gentle pressure with a cotton ball if needed. Number 5, closing thoughts and safety reminder. Thank you for watching today's tutorial on self-injecting GLP-1 medications. It's essential to follow your healthcare provider's instructions and only inject the prescribed amount.